ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। यस्यैव स्फुरणं सदात्मकमसत्कल्पार्थकं भासते साक्षात् तत्त्वमसीति वेदवचसा यो बोधयत्याश्रितान्। यत्साक्षात्करणाद् भवेन्न पुनरावृत्तिर्भवाम्भोनिधौ। तस्मै श्री गुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये। We are going to start with the 19th Vartika introduction. ननु एतत्पदयोः सामानाधिकरण्यं संसृष्टार्थपरत्वेपि संगच्छते। अतः किमिति अप्रसिद्धम् अखण्डार्थपरत्वम् आस्थीयते इति चेत् तत्र वक्तव्यम्। एतत्पदयोः तत्त्वं पदयोः तत्पद एंड त्वं पद ऑफ दीज टू सामानाधिकरण्यम देयर सामानाधिकरण्य विच वी सॉ यस्टरडे संसृष्टार्थ परत्वे संगच्छते। सो between them the samanadhikaranya there should be samsrishta artha. Samsrishta artha means that the tatpada and tvam-pada it should have sambandha with each other. That's what I asked yesterday. I mentioned that sambandha can be sanyoga sambandha, samvaya sambandha, tadatmya sambandha. So some sambandha is required. Samsrishtartha paratve, that should be the final thing by which the samanadhikaranya of pada is appropriate. Sangachate, it goes well. Sangachate in English would be it goes well, appropriate. Ataha, therefore, kimiti aprasiddham akhandartha paratvam asthiyate. So what is the reason why you are taking this akhandartha paratvam? Why not samsrishtartha paratvam? Now what is the difference between these two? In samsrishta artha, the two padas, they are associated with each other with some sambandha, but they are not revealing one thing. In samsrishtartha, in akhandartha, they are revealing one thing without any attributes. So in samsrishtartha, even if you say like Neelam Utpalam, it points out something which is having samsrishtartha, but it is pointing out vishishta vishaya, because visheshana is there, whereas akhandartha would point out nirvishesha vastu. Like Devadatta is not taddesha tatkala tadavastha vishishta, neither he is etaddesha etatkala etadavastha vishishta. He is not conditioned by anything. So that is akhandartha. So why you are using akhandartha paratvam? Iti chet. If this is the asthiyate means why are you doing asthanam in the form of like this kind of pratignya. Asthiyate means pratignyam kurute. Asthiyate iti chet tatra vaktavyam. So now the question is, you tell us which kind of samsrishtartha is appropriate here, and then different options, 9 options are given, and all of them will be negated. So then we will realize that samsrishtartha will not work. किन तत्वं पदार्थयोः करांगुल्यादिवत् अंशांशि भावः संसर्गः. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. Between tatpada and tvam-pada, like kara and anguli. Kara, hand, is the amshi, anguli is the amsha. Amshanshi bhava samsarga between tattvam padartha. First option. Second, kim va bhumyusharvat vikara vikaritvam, or there is a land and in that land one part of the land has undergone modification and it has become desert. Ushar bhumi. So bhumi usharvat vikara vikaritvam. Ushara is vikara, bhumi is the one which has vikara, vikari. Is it like that? Tat pada and tvam pada? This was second vikalpa. Third vikalpa. किंवा अत्यंत भेदे अपि स्तोत्रु स्तुत्य भावः. So even though they are distinct, between them there is stota and stutya. Stotru stutya. Stotru trich pratyanta rupa stu dhatu. Stotru means it will become stota, and stutya is also stu dhatu kyap pratyaya. After, because there is kyap pratyaya, rasvasya piti kriti tuk agama will come, so takar will come, so therefore it will become stutya. This sutra you know, rasvasya. If you want, I will give you the number. Six 171. Rasvasya piti kriti tuk. So tuk agama has come because pit is there. So is it stota and stutya? Means the jiva, tvam-pada, will be the one who is doing the stuti, and Ishvara will be stutya. Athava sadrishya yoga, or there is similarity between jiva and Ishvara. They are very similar. Why? Because they are the only two having chaitanya. Everything else is jada. Jiva has chaitanya aspect to express. Paramatma is chaitanya sarupa. So that is sadrishya. Karya karana bhavo va. Next vikalpa is, are they karya karana rupa? Means jiva is karya, paramatma is karana. Or jati vyakti bhavova. Jati vyakti, see, ghata is vyakti and ghatatva will be jati. Now in ghata, ghatatva jati will remain. with which sambandha? Samavaya sambandha. Ghatatva jati will remain in ghata with samavaya sambandha. But between ghata and ghatatva, how we put sambandha? In ghatatva, how will ghata be? See, in ghata, ghatatva will be samvaya sambandha. But in ghatatva, means with respect to ghatatva, if you want to know ghata, it will be jati vyakti sambandha. In this way, it is distinguished. Jati vyakti bhava. Or, how many vikalpas are done? 6. 7th. Guna gunitva lakshanova. Between Tvampada and Tatpada, there is guna guni bhava. So, is Jiva guna of Ishvara, who is the guni? Or upasaka gata upasana karmatvam va. One is upasaka and second is upasana karma. Or you can just take it as upasaka upasya also. Upasaka gata upasana karma. We will see when separately they are refuted, it will come. और अन्यतरस्य अन्यतर भाव कल्पना विषयत्वं वा. और अन्यतर, any one of them, any one idea with another bhava, another idea as its vishaya. अन्यतरस्य अन्यतर भाव कल्पना विषयत्वं. So he's distinguishing in general that any such relationship, if you can identify, so let us see now how they are presented. Tatra Nadyavityaha. Nadyavityaha is na adyau ityaha. How many words are there? 4. Na adyau iti aha. Adyau dvau. Adyo means dvivachanam. So first two. What are the first two? Amshamshi and vikar vikari. They are negated. Parasyamsho vikaro va. Syamsho vikaro va. Jivo vakyena nochyate. Kena nochyate. जीवात्मना प्रविष्टत्वात् स्वमाया सृष्टमूर्तिषु परस्यांशो विकारो वा जीवो वाक्येन नोच्यते जीवात्मना प्रविष्टत्वात् स्वमाया सृष्टमूर्तिषु निरंशो निर्विकारोऽसौ श्रुत्या युक्त्या च गम्यते घटाकाशो विकारो वा नांशो वा वियतो यथा निरंशो निर्विकारोऽसौ श्रुत्या युक्त्या च गम्यते घटाकाशो विकारो वा नांशो वा वियतो यथा परस्य जीवः परस्य अंशो विकारो वा वाक्येन न उच्यते. Jiva being amsha, part, or vikara, modification. Vikara shabda is used actually in the form of vikar also and karyam also. Here both are separately given. Karya karana separate, vikaritva separate. So in this shloka, vikara means modification. Like milk, part of milk undergoes modification to become curd, because that example is bhumi and ushara. So vikaro va महावाक्येन वाक्येन तत्वमसि महावाक्येन न उच्यते. Tattvamasi Mahavakya doesn't show that Jiva is Amsha of Paramatma, Ishvara, or Jiva is Vikara. Why do you say that? Jivatmana pravishtatvat swamaya srishtamurtishu. Swamaya srishtamurtishu Jivatmana pravishtatvat. In the स्वस्य माया सृष्ट मूर्ति स्वमाया, सो स्वस्य माया स्वमाया तया मायया सृष्टा मूर्ति means this human form etc. In all these forms मूर्तिषु जीवात्मना प्रविष्टत्वात् ईश्वर has entered as जीवात्मा. We will see all the quotations. So this is first. And Shrutya Yuktya cha, through Shruti and Yukti, Niramsho Nirvikaro sau cha gamyate. Asau Atma Paramatma Niramshaha Nirvikaraha. Or you say Asau Paramatma is Niramsha. So how can Jiva be Amsha of that Paramatma? And Paramatma is Nirvikara. So how can Jiva be Vikara of that Paramatma? Shrutya Yuktya cha gamyate. Ghatakasho Vikaro va Namsho va Viyato Yatha. Yatha, just as Ghatakasho na Amsho na Vikaro va Viyataha of the Mahakasha. Ghatakasha is not Vikara. Ghatakasha is also not Amsha. So in Mandukya Karika, in Advaita Prakarana, this has already come that Nakashasya Vikara Vayavau. In this way, Nakashasya Mahakasha Vikara Vayavau Yatha. In this way, it is negated. See the tika now. So for this tika, only two are negated. First two vikalpas. Katham jivaha paramatmano amshaha vikaro va na bhavati. Why jiva cannot be amsha or vikara of paramatma? So the Purva Pakshi is asking. So Siddhanti says, how it will become? You tell. So Purva Pakshi says, I have quotation. Mama ivamsho jiva loke jiva bhutasana. All these people, those who have this idea, jiva is amsha, this is their quotation. Jiva bhuta sanatana. Iti smrutau. Jivasya paramatmamshatva avagamat. In this smriti, jiva is the amsha of Paramatma. This becomes known. And Sarva eta atmano vicharanti. This is how that quotation you should read. Sarve ete atmanaha vicharanti. Vicharanti means the vikara. All these are the modifications. For amshamshi, you can also quote this yatha Mundakopanishad pradiptad pavakad visfulingaha sahasrasha prabhavante sarupaha tatha. Here this quotation never it has come. तथाक्षरात् विविधा सौम्य भावाः प्रजायन्ते तत्र चैवापि यन्ति. That is the quotation. इति श्रुतौ विकारत्व अवगमाच्च इति चेत. In Shruti, Amsha and Vikar. In Smriti, Amsha is mentioned. Mundaka Shruti is also there for Amsha. And Smriti, Gita Smriti, both of them are talking about Jiva as Amsha of Paramatma. And Vikara, Shruti is also given. Iti chet, Maivam. No, that is not correct. Pravesha Shruti Virodhat Ityaha. Because there is Virodha with Pravesha Shruti. Pravesha Shruti Virodha. Jivatmana iti. So that Jivatmana is part of the shloka. What are the Pravesha Shruti? Tat srishtva tadevanupravishat. So that which has created alone has entered. Jivatmana praveshasya niyantritvam chatan prati. So he entered as Jivatma and then became Niyanta also, as if. So in Tat Srishtva Tadevanu Pravishat, the Tva Pratyaya is there. So that Tva Pratyaya says that the creator and the one who has entered, they have to be the same. Samana Kartrakayoho Purvakale. You cannot say Chaitra has done creation and Maitra has entered. Like Bhuktva Gacchati. So Chaitra has done Bhojanam and Maitra is going. That will not work. The one who has done Bhojanam, that alone is going. Bhuktva Gacchati. So Srishtva, that is Saman Kartrakatva. Same Karta is required for Tva Pratyaya. Tad eva anupravishat. Anena jivena atmana anupravishya. Paramatma did sankalpa. I will enter in this three or pancha mahabhuta. Tejo Banna Srishti. I will enter. How? Says, I will change my name and I will look different there. So, Jivena Atmana. And that is exactly what has deluded us. So, it is like saying, when somebody says, I will live in that town, I will change my name and I will look different there. So, same person, let us say they live in somewhere in Bangalore and now they have come to Rishikesh and they look different because their Vesha Bhusha is different and mustache, beard, something is there. Chaturmas is going on. So, long beard, long mustache, hair and sannyasa is there, so geru also they are wearing. So now and the name is different now because sannyasa. So somebody will come, oh, that person is not here. Same entity is available but with different nama rupa, appearance. So Bhagavan says, I, the creator, I will appear there as experiencer. So really speaking, we alone are, like if I have to say, in room number 24, I will be as Sarvatmananda. And in room number 27, I will be as Nirgunananda. And in room number 35, I will be there as some other Ananda, Paramananda. And in this room, I will be as Bodhatmananda. So it is possible. when I can become many, then I alone am in all different Nama Rupa in different places. In the same way, Bhagavan is in different bodies. That is called Anena Jivena. We know maximum double role. Bhagavan says, I am going to play all roles. There is nobody other than me anyway. So first quotation is Taittiriya Upanishad. Second one is Chandogya. Third is Sa Esha Iha Pravishta Anakhagribhyaha Brahadaranyaka. Brahadaranyaka quotation is given. Number is 347. So you have to understand, it is not 347, huh? It will be 147, huh? In 347, if you look, you will keep looking. And anyway, this 147 is very famous in Brahadaranyaka. It has Vidya Sutra. Atmetyevo Pasita. This is the Vidya Sutra. And in 1410, after Mahavakya and then the Jnana Phalam, Tadhaitat Pashyan Rishirvamadeva Pratipede Aham Manurabhavam Suryascheti. And it is said, Yo Devanam Pratyabudyata, among Devas, anybody who understood this, Tatha Rishinam, Atha Manushyanam, in among Rishis or Manushya, they all understood this. Right after that is Avidya Sutra. So, Vidya Sutra, Avidya. This is the main part of Brahadaranyaka first chapter. If somebody says, you do summary of or elaborate first chapter of Brahadaranyaka Upanishad, from Vedanta standpoint, this is the main part. Before that is some Srishti Prakriya. Of course, in Bhashya there is Ghata Bhashya and all that. And after this is all Avidya. After 1410 is all Avidya. Main part is this. So, Saha Esha Iha Pravishtaha Anakhagrebhya. Paramatma has entered here in this body all the way up to the nails. Saha etam eva simanam vidarya etaya dvara prapadyata. Aitreya Upanishad. Having broken the simanam, the skull part, vidarya, through that Paramatma has entered. Antah pravishta shasta jananam Shvetashvatar Upanishad. Antah pravishta shasta Taittiriya Aranyaka. Antah pravishta shasta is Shvetashvatar. They have not given anything about it. Then Antah pravishtam kartaram etat. That is Taittiriya Aranyaka. I think that in between quotation is Shvetashvatara. But anyway, so, and Taittiriya Aranyaka is given that he has entered here. Paramatma has entered. Paramatma alone is Jivatma. Paramatma is not Amshi and Jivatma is Amsha. That is invalid. Ityadi aneka shrutishu srashtuhu ishwarasya swasrishteshu sanghateshu avikritasya praveshah shruyate. In all these shruti, aneka shrutishu srashtuhu ishwarasya, of the srashta Ishvara, swasrishteshu sanghateshu, the sanghata that he has created, avikritasya praveshah, which has not undergone any vikare, that alone has entered. Avikritasya pravesha shruyate. Ato anena pravesha vakya sandohena. Sandoha means bahulyam, plenty. By these plenty of pravesha vakyas, due to them, avirodhaya maya tatkarya उपाधि कल्पितावच्छेद भेदमाश्रित्य अंश संस्मरणम विकारापत्तिश्रवणं च औपचारिकं व्याख्येयम् इत्यभिप्रायः. So, samsmaranam, smaranam means what quotation you presented from Smriti, and Shravanam means the quotation that you gave from Shruti of the Vikara, and Amsha from the Smriti. They all are Maya Tatkarya Upadhi Kalpita Avacheda Bhedam Ashritya. Accepting the Maya, its Karyam, which become the upadhi of tat and tvam, and taking that maya karya as satyam, and then the bheda, having taken support of that, amsha smaranam vikarapatti shravanam cha, this is aupacharikam. So this will always also happen that you have two shrutis or shruti smriti. Then in that, what is the Prabala Shruti and Nirbala Shruti? And how will I know what is Prabala Shruti? That Shruti which is Tatparya Bodhini, that will become Prabal. And that which is not having Tatparya, it will become Nirbala. So this Amshamshi, even if it is mentioned somewhere, it is Aupacharika. Because as we say it is Aupacharika, they will say what is this? Whenever there is Bheda, whenever there is this, you say this is Gauna, this is Aupacharika. And whenever there is Aikyam, you say this is real. So you say we have Mimamsa method by which we establish this. Aupacharikam Vyakhyayam ityabhiprayah. Nanu pravesh shrutehe api ghate churnavat phale bijavadva प्रवेश ईश्वरस्य सृष्टेषु कार्येषु इति अंगीकारे. So you have to read that as अंगीकारे अंशादि प्रमाण अविरोध इति चेत. In pravesha shruti you can have this kind of pravesha. What? That with the ghata, so with the clay, you make the pot. Mrittika you take, you make the ghata. Then some more mrittika is remaining. So you can fill that ghata with water, with milk, or you can fill that ghata with some powder of that clay, with whatever clay is there. So ghate churnavat. Or phale bijavat pravesha. Phala is there, in that bija is there. Bijavadva pravesha Ishwarasya srishteshu karyeshu iti angikare. In this way, in the srishti, Ishwara has entered. Ishwarasya srishteshu karyeshu iti angikare amshadi praman avirodha. This Mamayvamsho Jiva Loke and all these quotation, there will not be any virodha with them. So why don't we have Srishtika Vakya also as accepted? This Amsha Vakya also we can accommodate with this Amshamshi Bhava. Iti chet etadapi asat. No, that is all incorrect. Why? Because Paramatma is Niramsha, Niranshatva, Nirvikaratva, Shruti Yukti Virodhat. Shruti says he is Niramsha, Nirvikara, and Yukti to Nayayikas are standing there. The moment you say Ishvara is Samsha, Savayava, immediately they will say Yatra Yatra Savayavatvam, Tatra Tatra Anityatvam, Ghatavat. Yat savayavam tadanityam Ishvaraha anityaha savayavatvat ghatavat. So yukti also you have to understand that somehow you say, Ishvara has amsha, one amsha has undergone modification, another amsha is intact. All this doesn't sound logical. So, and that's why tarka is required. So there are a lot of people, they just go by faith. I just go by faith. What is that? There are parts. Ishvara, one part has become this, another part is intact, he is in heaven, he is in Vaikuntha, Kailasha. So all such Tripadasya Amrita. As some quotation they will always have that one part has become like, there is no part and whole theory. Ityaha Virodhadityaha Niramshaiti. So Niramsha, the next two shlokas which we have already read. Nishkalam Nishkriyam Shantam Niravadyam Niranjanam. This is from Shvetashvatara Upanishad. Paramatma is Nishkala, partless, Nishkriya, actionless, Shanta, Niravadyam, Nirdushtam. He is unblemished. Niranjanam, Niranjana, Paramatma is. Niranjana means there is no anjanam, there is no taint, taintless. Nityam vibhum sarvagatam susukshmam tadavyayam. This is Mundaka. Paramatma is Nitya, eternal. So you cannot have Amsha, it will become Anitya. Paramatma is Nitya. Vibhu, all pervading. Sarvagatam. So Sarvagatam, again all pervading. Susukshmam, very sukshma, means pratyak, and tad avyayam, it is indestructible. Ityadi shrutibihi, so by the shrutis. So here they are given in Tritiya. Then अच्छेद्यो यमदाह्यो यम अविकार्यो यमुच्यते. They have given Bhagavad Gita 2:24. Actually, the two shlokas they have combined. अच्छेद्यो यमदाह्यो यम अच्छेद्यो यमदाह्यो यम अक्लेद्यो शोष्य एवच नित्य सर्वगत स्थाणुः अचलो यम सनातन अव्यक्तो यम चिन्त्यो यम अविकार्यो यमुच्यते. So and this can happen when Tikakaras, even in normally in Bhashyakara's thing it doesn't happen, but it can happen that because they are in their writing thing and whatever they remember they write down. So if for some reason two shlokas become jumbled up in their memory, so then this, or the one who noted down, Acharya must have just said Achedyo Yamadahyoyam on the patra, Tamra Patra or some, the leaf he must have written. And those who copied from there in the book, they must have done something by adding their own wisdom. That is possible. Iti smriti bhishya niransho nirvikaro asavishwaratma asau ishwara atma niramshaha partless, nirvikaraha, modificationless, gamyate, jnayate, iti ekayojana. This is one idea, one teaching. Yuktyacha, and yukti is also there. Yuktyacha niramsho nirvikaraschaso gamyate iti apara. There is a second part now. What is the yukti? Yuktischa jagat kartuhu tavat savayavatve tasya anya purvatva niyamat srijjakoti patitatvena jagat कर्तृत्व व्याहतेः सर्वज्ञत्व सर्वशक्तित्वायोगाद अनीश्वरत्वापत्तिः. This is the yukti. Jagat Kartuhu, the creator of this world, Tavat Savayavatve. In that case, Tavat means in that case, if he is Savayava, then Tasya Yad Savayavam. Savayavam means Avayavena Sahitam Savayavam. So there are parts. So those parts have to be there before the Savayava Vastu is created. Parts have to be, like if we say, car is assembly of parts. So then all parts have to be there first, then you can assemble and make a car. So all the parts have to exist. So savayavattve tasya anya purvatva niyamat. Any savayavastu should have other things existing prior to it. That other will be avayava. Purvatva, anya purvatva niyamat. So it always have anya prior to it through niyama, means without exception. And therefore savayava vastu will be part of creation. It will fall in the category of created. Srijya koti patita. It will fall in the koti means category. Patita means to fall. Srijya means created. It will fall in the created category. Who? Karta. Creator will fall in created category if you say savayavam. Then he will not be Jagat Karta because he is created. Karta will be somebody else. Jagat Kartritva Vyahate hai. So Jagat Kartritva will be Vyahata, means it will be falsified. Vyaghata will be there. And therefore Sarvajñatva, Sarvashaktitva ayogat. He will not have Sarvajñatva, Sarvashaktitva because he is created later. And therefore Jagat Karta will become Anishwara. Anishwarattvapatti. Jagat Kartru Anavastha cha Kartrantara Abhyupagame Syat. Jagat Kartru Anavastha. If you say there is some other Karta, Kartrantara Abhyupagame, if you accept some other Karta, then you will have Anavastha dosha. Because that other Karta will be also Savayava. So that Savayava Karta, you will need its Avayavas to exist before that Karta came into being. So then another Karanam you will have to say, and you will say that is Jagat Karta. Then the question will be asked, that Jagat Karta is Savayava or Niravayava? So if you say Savayava, then its Avayava has to exist prior to it. Until you say it is Niravayava, we are not going to leave you. So this is the dosha, Anavastha dosha. Sakaranam Karanadhipadhipo Nacha Kaschit Janita Nachadhipaha Shvetashvatara Saha Ishwaraha Paramatma Karanam. He is the Karana. Karana Adhipa Adhipaha. Karananam Adhipaha. So these Karanas, their Adhipa will be the Ahankara. Ishwara is Adhipaha. Adhipa means Adhipalan. Adhipalayita. Adhipaha. Ruler. So sense organs are there. It has a ruler, Ahankara. Its ruler is Paramatma. Nacha asya kaschit janita. And it does not have any creator. Nacha Adhipa. It doesn't have any ruler. Iti Ishwara Vishaya Shruti Bhada Prasangacha. So this Ishwara Vishaya Shruti will be falsified if you say this Ishwara has some other avayavas which is creator, etc. Tatha Vikaropi Ishware na yujyate. And in Ishwara, Vikara also is not justified. What is Vikara? Vikaro nama Parinamaha. Parispandova. So some kind of modification or parispanda. Parispanda means movement. Paraspara Sambandha Krita Atishaya Yogova, or mutually Paraspara Sambandha Krita because of some association. संबंध कृत अतिशय. Atishay means the extreme case of that, because of such mutual thing coming together becomes Ishvara. Paraspara sambandha krita atishaya yoga. It is not like that. Paramatma is not like that. Sarvathapi na upapadyate. Never ever it is not possible. Ever possible. Why? Amurte niravayave sanmatre. Paramatma is amurta, niravayava, sanmatra. Sanmatre. Sarva prakarasyapi, of all forms. Sarva prakarasyapi vikarasya anupapattehe. There is no vikar possible of any kind. Sarva prakarasyapi vikarasya anupapattehe. विभूनोंश विकारयोः अभावे दृष्टान्तमाह घटाकाश. पर महाकाश विच इज विभू, its amsha or vikara, in that there is abhava. For that the example is given Ghatakasha. So that Ghatakasha, last line is there, Mahakasha and Ghatakasha. Ghatakasha is neither part nor modification of Mahakasha. Vimataha, the yukti is given. Vimataha na amsha vikaravan vibhutvat akashvat ityartha. Vimataha Ishvaraha, Atma. Atma is not amsha vikaravan, neither having amsha nor vikara. Why? Vibhutvat. Hetu is vibhutva. Drashtanta is like Akasha. In that previous line, Vibhunomsha vikarayoho. Vibhunomsha. What is that word? Vibhunomsha. Vibhuna. Then Vibhuna amsha, we will become Vibhunomsha. Vibhunaha. What is Vibhunaha? Of which word? How Vibhu became Vibhunaha? Iko achi vibhaktau sutra 7.173. In Napunsakalinga, num agama will come. It will become Vibhunaha. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayana Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaje Namah. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.